Alright, so this is going to be a follow-up video to my previous video on reading an Excel file into Pandas. So we saw how to do it when the data is in the first sheet. So this was in here. So that when your data is the first sheet in the file, then this read Excel Pandas function can work. However, if your first sheet is, for example, a title or something that you don't want, and your data actually lives in the second or third or whatever sheet, then this video is for you. So the first thing we're going to do is, instead of this read Excel, what we're going to do is we're going to define an object, and it's going to be representative of our Excel file itself. So I'm just going to write Excel file, and this is going to be a pandas object called Excel file. And then what it's going to do is we're going to read the same file as before. Okay. And then with that Excel file, we're going to parse it, and we're going to parse whatever sheet we want. So in this case, our data lives in the data sheet. So we're going to put the data and close that off. And this will actually give us back the data frame that we want. We're going to run that, and then that's going to be our data. So this is how you do it when your data lives on a separate spreadsheet or a separate sheet within the file. Thanks for watching.